Initially, I was having doubt whether, I'm going to do this. Is it possible for me or not? I'm confident, but somewhere, without getting clients, we can't say anything. So after getting my first client, I was so much confident that yes, I can do this.
With this knowledge and with the support, 3 months or 6 months, where do you see yourself?
Say after 6 months, at least I'm thinking to, monthly I should earn 60 to 70K per month. That is my goal.
Hi everyone, meet Prashanth. He's a digital nomad. He's from Mumbai. He started his business in first 7 days. He got his first client in 25 days, and he has 3 clients now. Let's try to understand more about Prashanth. Congratulations, man. You have done a great job.
Hey, thanks, Bipin.
Yeah, awesome. So how did you get your first client, and you have 3 clients now. So tell me more about them.
In fact, I followed all the steps and process which you have taught in our course, 30 days course. So those steps only, help me to get these clients. In fact, the first client also, because none of them are from my contacts.
Wow.
They are, in fact, I tried in my contacts also, but still discussions are going on. But these 3 clients I got by following our steps only.
Okay. First client, what industry are there and where did you find them?
First client I got on Facebook, from one of the Facebook group.
Okay.
He is from Gujarat and he's having cake making shop.
Okay.
Basically a bakery shop, like cakes, pastries. He's doing that business.
So you used my, Facebook group strategy.
Yeah, I joined all the groups and started promoting myself that is anyone interested for the digital marketing to, grow their business. So launching my business itself, helped when I launched my business page.
Correct. So how is your experience in, just learning and joining our program?
It's really it was great, and I'm enjoying this course.
Nice.
And day by day I'm learning new things, getting new challenges, but in those challenges also I'm learning a lot.
Awesome. So now you have successfully launched your business. You have few clients in your hand. How do you feel?
Great. Now, because initially I was having doubt whether I'm going to do this. Is it possible for me or not? I'm confident, but somewhere without getting clients, we can't say anything. So after getting my first client, I was so much confident that yes, I can do this.
Awesome. So what motivated you to get the client, to keep pushing forward? What motivated you?
See, I think I remember one of your sentence that we should not have a plan B. I was very much clear that if I want to quit my 9 to 5, it is very important to have clients with me. So only that's the thing which motivated me continuously. And still, I'm working on that to get more and more clients.
Got it. And how did you find us and how did you enroll? What thoughts you had when you wanted to enroll, and what happened after enrolling? Were
I
you
found you
doubtful?
on Facebook.
Okay.
And the tagline itself, quit 9 to 5. Uh, uh, that changed my mind, that I decided that let's see, let's experience this. So I joined your webinar, and after joining that webinar, yeah, I was very much sure that I'm going to do this.
Okay. And while enrolling, did you had doubt? Did you had the fear? Because we never met. And what was that? How did you feel?
Yeah, so many doubts I was having, because when I joined this course, and because I was searching, is there anyone from Mumbai in that group? I found one person, Keyur was there.
Yeah.
So we started chatting to each other that is there anyone from your previous background or anything? But we both were not knowing. So that fear was there, because nowadays we are listening so many news. Online frauds are there. People are doing so
Yeah.
many things. Scams are there. So many doubts was there. But since you came online directly to meet us, because normally those people who are doing these scams, they don't come online. But in the first meeting itself, in the webinar, you came online. That built the confidence among us.
Yeah. So now, did you make, now you've enrolled and you're being part of the community. Did you make the right decision? Do you think
Yes,
that you made the right decision?
100%.
Why?
Obviously, because I understood that the way you are teaching, and also not only because, see, nowadays there are many online courses available, in fact, for digital marketing also. But every week you are taking calls to just see whether we are doing it or not, because there are so many people who are enrolling themselves in the courses, but they are not completing the course. But you were ensuring that whether we are completing the course on time or not, whether we have any doubts or clarifications, that you were continuously clarifying on Telegram group, online sessions, everywhere. So that was the that was the main thing which build the confidence, and that's why I'm very much sure, and that's why I am suggesting people to get enrolled for this course.
Got it. So the 30 days, like the program is only for 30 days. Did it meet your expectation?
In fact, those 30 days, every day I was waiting for the next day. After first day, oh, what will be the next? Because after completing first day only, second day was unlocked. So after 30 days, we were thinking, yeah, now nothing will be there. We have to practice these 30 days only, and we have to practice whatever we have learned in 30 days. So that feeling was there that, yeah, something must be, some advanced level must be there to learn more, to go in depth. Yeah, that feeling was there.
Yeah. So you have your advanced level now. It's not just for 5 weeks or 4 weeks. It's for 22 weeks. It's so powerful, man. Nobody is actually doing this. Nobody is giving so much value. But yeah, uh, is the everyday journey, like what, day 1, day 2, day 3, how good was that? Is it like you were able to understand? Was it easy? Like, are you from digital marketing background? Like, how did it help you?
No, I am not from digital marketing background. In fact, I am from, NGO background.
Okay.
I am a person who spends more time in the field with people, with community. So, but yeah, I like, digital things to learn and to grow. So it was not difficult, but in fact, those who are having interest to learn new things, they can easily do this course. That is what I believe, because it is very easy, and you have learned in, you were teaching in very easy language by showcasing on the screen, by sharing your on screen. So that was the thing, helped us to learn easily.
So I made it so simple, in a very simple language.
Yeah.
But do you think, that is not valuable? Because people feel if you give too much and make them learn too much, then it is valuable. But this is only 10-minute, 20-minute small thing, but it's result oriented. Like, which one do you prefer? Too much to learn, or the way that I am teaching you? Which one is more valuable?
I think the way right now, the course which you are teaching now, 30 days course, because, within shorter time, people understood that we are getting results. And after getting results, now we are feeling that we need to have some advanced level course also, so that, we can grow more and more. Correct. I think this method is very helpful, and I think it is very effective. That is what I feel.
Okay. And have you taken any previous courses, or like is there any experience, and how different are we? Like, what difference did you, like, if you have taken any courses before?
On digital marketing?
Any other courses or digital marketing, anything?
Yeah, in fact, on digital marketing, I did one course in the year 2018 or 19 something. But, that time it was very basic. Like, what is SEO? What is website? what are the tools, like that way. Only few and basic things were there, but this course was very different, and I was able to understand the differences between that course and this course.
So what do you, because you have experienced something past, what is the difference? What you like the most?
uh in fact, the process or the steps which you are teaching, from launching the business till the end, prospecting and closing the clients, I think the process itself gives so much understanding, because everyone is trying to teach what is digital marketing. You have to go on the Facebook page, how you can run the ads, but nobody is teaching this techniques, that how we will get the clients. I
Yeah,
think that is the basic and very important thing, that how to get the clients, and
correct.
that is the very important part of this course.
Yes. Yeah, got it. And what are the different skills you have learned in a shortest time?
See, first of all, many a times, in fact, in our group also, I was sharing that building website. That first time I built a website on my name, my own name. So that is the one thing which I learned. Another one is running ads on different platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and how exactly we will, copywriting. That part also I learned.
That's good.
So
Yeah.
in in fact, I'm very much interested to create some designing work or creatives. That part also I learned. But yes, there are so many things which there were many things which I learned in this course.
In a short time.
Yeah, in short time.
Yeah. Yeah. And closing sales. How's what do you want to
Yeah,
say about sales and closing?
yeah, it is really amazing, because the role play, the video which is there in our course for role play, it is giving clear understanding that how exactly we can talk with client, how we will dress up, how we will sit, everything, our body language, our communication skill, everything, and how we are going to close the client. I
Yeah.
think that entire part I learned in the closing part.
Perfect. Awesome. And um, if you want to say something negative, is there anything that you want to say negative? Or is that like you found the best one till date?
Negative or critic, so far I didn't even think of. I need to think.
Okay, so you really liked it.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you just want to say one word for this program, I'll give you some options.
Mhm.
Useless, time waste, gold, worth it, world class, a gold mine, diamond, or diamond mine. Yeah.
Diamond mine.
Okay. Perfect. So three to 6 months down the line, where do you want to see? How much money do you want to be making? All the
See, now,
skills and knowledge that you have, with this knowledge and with the support, 3 months or 6 months, where do you see yourself?
see, after 6 months, at least, I'm thinking to, monthly I should earn 60 to 70K per month. That is my goal. And I think it is achievable.
Yes. Yeah, it's definitely achievable. What I would say is get into a monk mode. Monk mode is like just monk. They just meditate. There is no distraction. Even if something happens, someone dies also in front of them, they're not worried.
Right.
They're just focused on their goals. And if you also focus on your goal, it's not 70,000. You can hit 2-3 lakhs per month.
Right.
Okay. Even in my business, if I want to grow it, I just focus on the goals. Like I would just think about the goal and go for it. And now you're also a digital nomad and you have designed your life. You know what dream life you need. And if you want to reach that, get into monk mode.
Sure.
Okay. And tell me like the 3 clients that you have and what niche are they into and how did you land them?
Okay. So the first client, as I mentioned, he is having a cake shop.
Okay.
The second one is he's having different services, financial services like GST registration and everything, NGO registration, company registration, LLP registration. So like that way he is having his business. The third client is he is having his biotin products. Those products are mainly for the skin, for the hair growth, and for the strengthening nails. So that client is having his product on Amazon also, but he is very much interested to do digital marketing. So through one of my friend, I came to know about him. He suggested me that he's looking for someone who can do his digital marketing work. So these are the 3 clients, and we are just in the process of means in fact today only we started running his ads for biotic products.
Now to set up the ad account and do all of that, like, was that the knowledge good enough, or is it, did you get, do you have the confidence now to set up, move forward, run ads and everything?
Yes, I do have a confidence on setting up the ads and everything, but yes, as I mentioned, there are some challenges which come across, and I feel now we have understood how we can overcome those challenges. That, like, you are every time you are saying, no, we have to learn by ourselves that how we are going to overcome those challenges. So yeah, we are trying that. In fact, we are doing that only.
Got it. Perfect. And before we wind up this interview, anything else would you like to share? Maybe the community, maybe the mentor or the program, like anything else would you like to share?
See,
the best part or your favorite part or something.
One more thing is, which I haven't mentioned about the community, which, the family, Freelanpreneur family. In fact, many of us are in, contact with each other. We are sharing our learnings. Whenever we came across about, any challenges, we try to send messages to each other that, I'm stuck here. Have you come across this challenge? So please kindly guide me. So like that way, not only in our group, but individual level also, at personal level also, we are helping each other. So it's like a family culture. And, not only mentor like you, but there are many mentors available in our group now. Correct. Who is, trying to teach each other. So correct. There is a cross learning culture also there in our group, yes, which is helping us to grow more.
Powerful. Yeah. So great. So I'm really happy that you have successfully launched and you got your clients. You're in the game, and now it's a long game. So think about for 1 year how much more you'd grow. Put a deadline for 6 months or 3 months, and you're out from your job and you're living your dream life. The Freelanpreneur wealth triangle, it says first step is high income skills. Second is work with clients. You have already achieved 2 things. And the third thing is to quit and start living a dream life, which will 100% come true very soon. Just follow the path, trust the process.
Sure.
Okay. So all the very best. See you in the weekly calls.
Yeah. Thank you, Bipin.